most of the editing will be done under this section, so make sure you take a great look at it. After turning the image, you go to this white balance and increase the temperature and the tint a little. So after that, you save the image because you'll be needing it later. After exporting the image, we go through the same process again, but not all of it, so we are not touching the white balance this time around. I'm going to try and get a black background for this image, and to do that I'm going to use the curves. So we move over to the masking, and then you choose this brush icon, and then you start to brush neatly. Since the brushing is going to take some time, make sure you brush neatly so that it doesn't affect the image. We are done, so you move over to saving your image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.